there's more starting. I believe this is, I don't know this for sure, but if I'm thinking about it, I would think there's more starting torque on a 3D than a 4D.
I guess because the cylinders are all lined up, and then
Correct.
that makes sense actually.
Because you're going straight, and then instead of at a V, you would think there'd be less starting torque on a V than on a straight. Because
No, that makes total sense because that makes
if you
a
pull
lot
up
of sense.
that sheet, pull up the Excel sheet, and you look at the compressor sizing for 3D.
What